A little something, something, something like this.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Zafro back on another video, and today I'm bringing you guys this twist out on blow dried hair, which is like over a week old, let's be real. I did this because my hair wasn't really straight, but wasn't really curly either. It was just dry and I didn't know what to do with it, so I thought let me just do a twist out on dry hair and see how it works out. And I really like the results. It's really cute. I really like it. So yeah, if you're interested, you know what to do. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next clip. Roll it.
Hi guys, so first off I'm gonna section my hair and pin the rest of it away so it's out of my way, and then I add my leave-in. This is the Aunt Jackie's leave-in. All products will be listed in the description box below. I'm gonna give you guys a quick run through and then leave you guys just to watch. Next product is cherry powder, cherry paste. Next I use some oil, and then after the oil I apply the As I Am smoothing gel. Use any gel of your choice. I use this because I just need to get rid of it and it's good. I just won't buy it again because it's a small container. Then afterwards I just detangle my hair and begin to twist it up. So it's really simple. Why I'm using cherry paste is because it helps strengthen the ends of my hair and aid to blend retention. So that's the main reason why I'm using that. I am going to make a butter with cherry paste and shea butter, so it's moisturizing as well, and use that to seal in a majority of my hairstyles, so stay tuned on that. So yeah, I'm going to leave you guys to watch the rest of the video. It's really simple and I really like the results of this, so I'm definitely going to try this again the next time I blow dry my hair. So yeah, I hope this is clear. It's really simple, and enjoy the rest of the video. Hi guys, it's the next day and I'm just taking down my twists with some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice, whatever works for you, because we've all got different hair, guys. And then I tie up most of my hair with my scrunchie, just so it's out of the way and I can make sure that I don't miss any twists. Then it's just a simple process of unraveling, separating where your hair naturally separates to reduce frizz, but I kind of like a bit of frizz as well. And yeah, it's really just a easy step-by-step process of taking down the twists and then unraveling and fluffing to your desire. I do go in with a pick. It's optional whether you want to go in with a pick or not, but I like volume. I like my hair bouncy and stuff like that, so yeah, I like to go in with a pick just to get that volume, and the curls are like, you know, big, fluffy and still defined. So yeah, I'll leave you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so you know every time I upload a video. And yeah, bye for now. Oh, and for a gang. Gang gang. Thank you.